Alright, doing a double expansion catch here with a 6.5 Grendel. These are the Hornady black ammunition for 6.5 Grendel, 123 grain, and shooting out at the muzzle 2,590 feet per second. And here we go. What we're doing is downrange. Got wire jugs, got flour on it on the front. Penetrates flour, catch the bullet, see what it looks like, and then on the next shot it's just going to be straight water jugs and trying to catch the bullet and see how it does. And again, shoot. Alright. And there we go. Boom. We got flour blowing back all the way back here. Actually, there's the flour right there. So that's pretty cool. Nice bullet so far. Let's see what we got. Definitely see what we got. Those aren't necessary. Let's see what the flour did. So far, going through. When this bullet hit and expanded, I've got these boards screwed in with 3-inch screws all the way down. It actually, the wire expanded and pushed and split the bottom board on the rail. That is interesting. Very interesting. Alright, we have a lot of lead flakes in there. Alright, we got the bullet. That is cool. It stopped within the third jug. That is nice. That means it is hitting with full force. All that energy, as you see, is releasing on impact, and that's what you want on wild game, definitely. And delivering it all and still passing through. So we got. I'm not gonna take the time to put those up, but there's, y'all hear them. There's lead shards in there, and let's get the bullet out. That is amazing how it actually forced the water to split. I'll show y'all here in a second. Going through the flour. Alright, next one. Obliterates the bottle. This even split this one. Wow. Damn, I'm gonna have to make new ones. Here we go. Got the bottle, went through 2. And actually, here's some right here. That's what's left. It basically obliterated on impact. Is what it's looking like, because it went through 2, actually blew up 2 bottles, and there's shards. That's all that's left. So I'm digging it. I'm definitely digging this bullet. That is for sure. It's a 6.5 Grendel. See split my rails right there. This is through the flour, and that is pieces, and you can see down here just through water. 6.5 Grendel definitely breaks up on contact. That is a good thing. That's definitely a good thing. Here we go.